It's really early. As you can tell, it's still dark. There's already a bunch of birds awake, despite it being, I think, sunrise like right now. Ish. I can't see the sun. That was a gross angle, Ellie. Yeah. Just now sunrise. Should be a good time. So this field trip for ornithology was actually supposed to be the first of several trips we were going to take this semester, but thanks to having to leave campus and everything that's sort of gone down this spring, this is the only distance field trip we got to go on. So on this particular day, we were leaving campus to go see some eagles that were supposed to be along a river, and we wound up going to 2 different places throughout the course of this trip. This trip was just really cool because it started very early in the morning, as you saw, but it was just very calm and relaxing, so to speak. I've never really gone bird watching like this before, and now I kind of understand why people like to go watch birds, if that makes sense. It was just very relaxed. I spent a lot of time, especially in the car, talking to the people that I was in the car with. And I feel like I really got to know some people that are in that class and that are in my major that I really didn't know very well before, which is awesome because it's always great to make friends with people that you know you have a common interest in, with things like birds. So while I'm a little bit sad that this is the only trip we got to go on this semester and we originally had several planned, I am really glad that we still got to go. It was a really awesome experience. I learned how to use binoculars with glasses because that is a whole different learning curve that I was not quite expecting. But all in all, it was just a really fun time and I'm really glad that I got to go.